Welcome to another episode of MSK Coding. In this episode, I will discuss a Python quiz program that I wrote. This Python program is written to help kids like me learn the locations of the countries of the world. Now let's run the program. Now we're in the Python shell, which is where we run the code. So I just ran it and it asks us, what continent is Croatia in? So I'll give the right answer, which is Europe. Says, yay, we got it correct. Now I do another one, and just to show you what happens when it's wrong, Uruguay is in South America, but what if I put Asia? It says, you got it wrong. Uruguay is in South America. So these are the two outcomes of this program. Now I'll explain everything. We'll start with the first line. From random, import randint. This line takes the randint function from the random module. Randint is the abbreviation for random integer, which is what this function does. It picks a random integer. An integer is a whole number, negative or positive. Move on to the second line here. Rand equals randint 0 to 195. This picks a random number from 0 to 195, excluding 0 to 195, sets that number to the variable rand. Now we'll do the third and fourth lines. The third and fourth lines open the files countries.txt and continents.txt. One thing to note is that these text files have to be in the same folder as your program. In the fifth and sixth lines, the list function. This function makes the list out of the file by making every line in the file one item in the list. In the seventh line, we set the variable x to be the answer of what continent is %s in. %s then gets substituted for a random item in the list 1. The reason that we have a dot strip at the end is because normally if we printed it out, it would put a new line. But the dot strip strips it of that new line and then just makes it normal. In the eighth line, we make a new variable y, which is just x with a new line attached, so we can go through the if loop. Now we move on to the if loop, which spans through the lines 9 to 13. The first line here checks if the answer that you gave was the correct answer. If you got it correct, it would say yay. If you got it wrong, it would say you got it wrong. And print the country. Print Canada is in, then the continent. So it would say print Canada is in North America. The thing that I want to say is that if you want to create your own quiz program, all you need to do is change the text files so that you have a question text file and the answer text file in the same order, and then just change the rand equals randint. Thanks for watching. Another thing to note is that by the end of September 2019, I wish to have 50 subscribers. I am at 38 subscribers now, so if you like this video, please help my wish come true and subscribe to this channel. Bye!